spinning roundhouse kick. I'm going to employ this technique from southpaw. So what's happening is this is a good fake. This is when you're throwing a lot of spinning techniques and your opponent's backing up, okay? So as I'm here, same thing. I can pivot or step. I'm going to step. I turn like I'm throwing either a back kick or a spinning hammer fist, and I don't, and then that comes around. Stepping, I can fake, I can throw a hook, here, turn, say they back up just a little bit, or I'm already out of range for this hammer fist, and there could be a little hop. So it's just following through. This is when your opponent is backing up from your spinning techniques. So we're here, okay, fake, step, back facing, hammer fist, fake something, here, around. Okay, and if I miss, well, I just miss. So from the front, here I am, stepping over. I can actually throw a little hop if I need to. Pop, around. Here, step, around, that's it. Here we are. So this is when my opponent's biting on those spinning techniques, they're not working, and he's just getting just out of range. So I'm here, say I'm going for a hammer fist, he's just out of range, I'm gonna go high, Chris, okay? That's it. So this is great though low and mid because people don't expect you to be going for like a high move and go low. So we're gonna go low on this. So we're here, stepping over, hammer fist, boom. That's it. We're here, fake, around, spinning hammer, that's it. Okay? And you can see how my momentum is carrying through, very powerful. So this is your spinning roundhouse kick.